siedzę miejscu 12, ty też się zawijaj.
There is something I discovered, something that changed the way I work. Time is the one thing we can never get back. And I found a way to protect it, to save it. This opened a new space for creativity and gave me back my freedom. And now I feel it is the right moment to share with you my biggest secret. Narrative. Alright, I'm excited to share this with you. We will break it down into 3 easy steps. First, we will start with the idea, then process and production, and the last one, culling and editing. But teacher, coming up with the perfect idea is not easy. It can take hours or even days, and that is totally fine. Just trust the process. Hey guys, I was wondering if would you like to be part of a video? I have to make a photo shoot. I hope the acting is good because I'm not talking to anyone. Ha ha ha, it was fun. Now we are going to check the photo shoot.
Can make me feel the way you do. You're making all my dreams come true. Oh, baby, only you.
After the photo shoot, I went for a walk because I knew I would spend a lot of time culling and editing. That is one of the hardest parts. So many hours, so much energy gone. Then, far away, I saw a light, something shining in the distance. I walked close, step by step, and there it was, my biggest secret. A disc with 3 words: narrative, select, and edit.
No time to play your video games? Always rushing to make breakfast? Can't even bring flowers to your girlfriend? Now, with Narrative, you can enjoy your games. Preparing your breakfast calmly and bring nice flowers to your girlfriend. Use the link below to get 10% of discount.
This is exactly what I need. Okay, so here we are, finally in the biggest secret. So this is my application, the one that I'm using for already 2 years, I guess, to culling and selecting, editing, like everything, to be honest. So it's a really simple one. I want to show you some features. And, well, also I have many photo shoots that I want to share with you. I have like a kind of difficult ones, you know, where you can see like just bodies and in the nature. Some poses, also difficult poses to check, we can say. Also, I have like a normal photo shoot, like just one person posing, yep. And then I have also families, couples, etc. Well, how to start? First of all, you can open a new window here, and then you can choose the folder of the pictures and you want to edit, to import, okay? So after that, then, for example, we can start with this one. Yes. So this is how the platform looks like. Yep. So you can see all the pictures. But I really like to work with this one, yeah, with the scenes, because the other one is just one by one. You can just navigate one by one. But in the scenes, we have many colors. What the colors means. If you're going to the corner here, this is amazing because if you press the blue one, it will just show you the potential picks, the best one. Yeah, this is like a neutral one, like not good, not bad. But then you have also like the bad ones. If you press here, you will see just like this one, and focus, eyes closed, you see? So if I don't want to look at them and I just want to trust the application, I can just press, for example, the blue ones. And this is something interesting because if you see all the pictures that I took, in total they are like 1,369. And normally when you are selecting picture in another applications like Lightroom, for example, then you have to go and look one by one, like all of them. But with narrative, if I press here, you see, now before we had 1,300 and now we have only 700 pictures for selecting. So, I mean, just this is the key for using this application. When I'm using narrative, for example, now it's so much easy. I can just go through all the good ones. They are not unfocused or maybe eyes closed, etc. But I really like to go through all of them because sometimes I really like, for example, poses when they have eyes closed. And in that case, I need to select like personal, like choosing manually, I mean. And if you can see here, they are like the one that I choose. How I'm choosing the pictures, you can use colors, you can use like the stars, etc. What I'm using is always like rating them by stars. But let me show you another thing. Like for example, if you have a couple or let's say a family, let me go here. So when you have a family, this is also something cool. Like imagine you are photographing a wedding and there are many people in the picture and you just need to check all of them, because all of them, they need to be looking good in the camera. So what you can do here, you can just press the icon and then you can see all the faces in the picture. So this is amazing when you are photographing weddings, for example, and you have a lot of people in the picture. Perfect tool. But maybe also you're curious about like how I can trust the application to just select the pictures. And always I'm thinking like, if I never will see the picture that already are bad, for example, I don't care. I don't know. Maybe some of them, they are good or they will be good. But if I'm not see them, it's fine. I mean, I can just stay with the good ones. But just in case, for example, if you were photographing at a specific location with a specific idea and you can see narrative is giving you just one good, you can just deactivate the filter and then you can go through all of them and maybe you will see another one that you like. So, it's not deleting the pictures, it's the pictures that will always be there. So just in case if you are not like satisfied with the selection, you can just deactivate the filter and that's it. And you can just go through all of them like here, you see? So yeah, this is narrative. This is a perfect application where it's saving me a lot of time. But also this is not all. It can edit also the picture for you. So then when you already did all the selection, then it's the edition part, right? When you have all the edition, all the pictures that you liked, then I just go to chip, right, and edit. And you have here different options. You can edit with different presets from narrative, for example, that one you can try. And also they are like all other artists and you can just Summer Grace, for example, you can just, if you wanna edit like her, you can go here, you can see the profile and you can see also the before and after. Really simple steps. And if you like this preset, you can just use it for editing. I will use, let me see, that one there is my personal one. This is more like a cinematic one, like more like warm colors. You can see here, right? Well, and I have this one that is for normal clients, like tourists. Yep, so when they don't want my warm colors, also you have this preset, and I really like it as well. This is more for normal people, let's say, when they don't want these moody, colors, etc. So after that, I can show you that I will just choose this preset, and then you have, this is my selection, 196 pictures, and I will import them in Lightroom. It's a simple step. You just press here, and that's it. Now you can go to prepare a coffee, to drink water. And in a few minutes, I guess it will be 5 minutes maximum, maybe less, maybe 2 minutes, and it's editing the picture for you. So what else? It's incredible. I'm really happy using this application. Now let's see how they are in Lightroom. After narrative import all the pictures in Lightroom, it will open automatically and then you will see all the pictures that you select already edited. If you can see here, it's doing like a little adjustment through my preset. And yeah, that's it. I mean, then I just need to go like through all of them, check if the colors they are okay. If I want to change something, I can do it, but it's already there. Like, You know what I mean? It's just something incredible. Like I love to just use narrative, select the pictures, and then export them, edit them. Okay, barely edit them because it is doing for me, and then you can just export them. So yeah, then for example, this one is a bit more like, yeah, I can just go like this, and that's it. I will keep it like that, and that's it. I can show you, for example, another gallery, just checking if they are okay. But as you can see, I mean, it's just good. I don't need to do anything. You can train it. I already have more than 2,000 pictures in some preset. In another preset I have like 5,000 pictures, so it can learn from you. So you have to edit, don't delete the raw files, and just keep them in the gallery, so then narrative can just read and check all your pictures, all your galleries, and it will start to learn step by step how you're editing them, and in the end it will be like super easy to edit because all the pictures that I have, wow, what is that? So all the pictures that you have, it will be like how you were editing them. So yeah, this is Narrative Select. I hope you will like it, and thank you so much for watching this video. And we did it. I spent a lot of time, a lot of hours making this video, but I really enjoying it a lot. So I hope also you enjoying it as much as I did. Well, about the links, I will leave the links below. So if you want to create an account in Narrative Select, please use my link. And if we are not in touch on Instagram, you can, follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe to this channel, because I will start to upload videos like this. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye. I hit myself.
Took my arms, take a chance.
I don't even have time to prepare a decent meal.